Alright guys, here we go. I got a lot of targets to make up for. Yeah, I wasn't shooting the winter time. Yeah, it was cold out. I will try out Rustic Rimfires sniper challenge target right there. Got the Tikka T1X arcing scope on it and a jar trigger. But got a lot to make up for. Yeah, I'm gonna try with a Federal Auto Match. I shot this auto match in the T before. I remember it, not saying it shot match good, but wait a minute. It says match on there, so it must be good, right? So it it was doing okay, surprised me. So we'll give it a try. I'm gonna do some siders here. So down all the way down 50 yards, you see down there. They pause you, set you up in the spotting scope. Alrighty guys, here we are. You get what's it read there? You get 10 shots, you get 2 bonus shots, 10 choppers right there. In the tree right there. If you hit the tree, you lose 5 points. 10 points per helicopter. If you hit the tree, you lose 5 points. Then if you hit the star on the tank down there, that's bonus. I think it's 10 points. Then if you take out the wick on that bomb up there, so let's see what we can do. Federal Auto Match. Get you just up here a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take. Oh, geez, I want to do me some ciders. Where's my ciders at first here? There's the cider. A little bit of bronchitis, cold, Nothing I can't deal with right there, but if you notice me coughing or something, that's why. Wind, phone says 12 miles an hour, it kind of comes and goes, gusting at times. Did I actually hit the bullseye on that thing? I think I did. It's Federal Auto Match. Sometimes you get a box that shoots pretty good, and other times not so much. I hit below the bullseye. That's actually doing pretty good for auto match. I think I'm gonna just go with it right here. It's go with the choppers there first. I guess we start at the top one. I think I got that one. Up here a little more. I think I did. I don't know. Let's rewatch it here. Okay, we got that next one down, the white one down on the right. Did I hit that one too? Oh, let's go to that black one on the right. I don't know. I can't be doing that good with auto match. I think I took out his blade. Does that count? Okay, let's go for the red one down below that one. I got him too. Well, I'm on a roll. Auto match, you say, huh? Okay, let's go to that bigger one on the upper left. Yep, I think that's clear, clean mist. Didn't even get his blades either. Okay, to right at it, get that red chopper. Definitely think I took out his blades on that one right there. Okay, now below that, we got kind of a white one there. Can't tell. You can change mags. Okay, we got that red one down. Look from that the right hand side of there. There's the wind. I don't know. Okay, then the one on the left hand side, the bigger one down the bottom of the tree right there. You got me right there. Okay. Let's go for the star in the tank. Who wants a chance of me hitting that thing? Come on. Yeah, closer than I thought for. Can we use that on the oop. See all these targets set up here on the different targets. Let's go for the wick. I'm gonna aim just below it, so hopefully it'll go a little high like it's doing that last shot. So let's see. It has to be all the way cut in half too. I didn't say that, so but yeah, it's pretty close right there. Yeah, that's almost where I was aiming at. Yeah, I think we can come up there a little taller up there, but let me pause you here. I'm gonna go down there and get that thing and take a look at it. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Let me keep this down here. Remember, this was the Federal Automat, so right there, same up here. I think that first one I hit up there, then I hit a bullseye, then went right down below it. First chopper I thought I hit in here, I couldn't see it was too dark, but what I did is I hit clean up here, so that's a 0. Come over here, I thought I might have got its propeller right there, but I didn't, so that's a 0. Got this one right here, you guys can see that there. Got this one here. Got the blade on this one, so I guess that'd bring them down. Over here, that's a hit right there. You guys can see that right there. This one I shot at, and I hit up here and hit the tree, so that's a -5. This little one right here, I actually got it. You guys see that? This one over here, I guess, I know I'm in the blade. I took out his tail right there, but it's probably a little bit of a tree tip. I think I got it, I guess. If I just aimed a little bit lower, I probably would have got that star right there on this tank right here. Yeah, on this one right here, yeah, I know you have to be all the way through that, but I don't. Looking at it right there, it's not. So, give me a second here. Get my handy dandy checker out here just to make sure. Yeah, I think I actually want you guys look out of here as best I can. When the checker right there shows it all the way through right there, through the wick. So I actually think I got that. I didn't think I did, but to look here a little, you guys can see that a little better. Okay, so let's count them up here. Let me see, we got, see. Let's go all the way through 20 points. If you miss 5, minus 5. Okay, I guess you don't lose anything if you take out this bonus. Okay, so what we got? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Minus 5, so 55. And I got that, so that's 55, so that's 75. That's what I'm guessing. Yeah, like Rustic Rimfire, look at right there. I think that's good though. Yeah, when you get the sighting thing in there, but see what he thinks right there, and also about the, I took off the tail right there, part of it right there, but I know it's also in the tree right there. So whether that counts or not, it's a fun one, guys. Yeah, I'll try to leave a link over to his channel and go check him out for sure. He does a lot of this 22 shooting. All right, we'll talk to you next time.